Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And yesterday, gold proved again that gold is not for weak-hearted people. So before I begin, okay, I have a disclaimer that, okay, if you're busy doing something, please watch the video later because this video is going to be a little bit complicated. And please watch the video completely. Do not skip in between because you won't be able to understand. Okay, so let's get started. Gold has been crazy for the last couple of weeks, as we all know. Okay, but overall, the market was bullish. Yeah, market was overall bullish, and market sentiment was also very much bullish because of the ongoing tension between Israel and Iran. Okay, and there was a gap up opening also. Then after gap up opening, market was coming for retracement. So as we discussed yesterday, that as long as gold is trading above 3400, okay, we can consider the market to be bullish. Everything was bullish. So we also discussed about buying and retracement around 342224 area. Then we also discussed about 341214 area. And how much we were expecting? Okay, I told you guys that initially we can expect 50 to 60 bips. If market shows further potential, okay, then we can go for TP2, TP3. But we were not expecting this heavy selling pressure. Yes, we got our 50, 60 pips, but after that, okay, what market showed us, okay, we were not at all ready. We got this humongous red candle and we can see right now that gold is trading below 3400. But still the market is not completely bearish. And the problem is that, okay, the market sentiment is, okay, speaking something else and we can see something else on the chart. For example, if you look at the news, gold rises on ongoing Middle East tensions. Gold edges higher amid ongoing geopolitical tension. And this is the chart of gold. There is no similarity between the market sentiment and the chart. Okay, so things are complicated for gold traders. And the problem is that, okay, for example, around 2 weeks ago, okay, when gold was crazy, we were finding it difficult to understand gold. I told you guys that, okay, if you're finding difficulty to trade gold, okay, you can look for opportunities outside gold. But right now we do not have a good opportunities outside gold also. For example, if you want to look at Euro USD, okay, you will see Euro USD trading in the range. GBP USD, my God, crazy spikes in the chart. So overall, the market is not very good for us right now. Okay. Anyways, okay, let's not waste time and let's discuss the trading opportunities for gold. So this is the daily chart of gold in front of us. Okay. On the daily chart of gold, we can see the market is obviously, okay, undoubtedly very much bullish. But if we look at the daily chart of gold carefully, then we can see that market is no longer forming higher highs because for a bullish market, we need higher highs and higher lows. Okay. We can see that we have an ascending triangle pattern. Okay, on the lower time frame also we got ascending triangle pattern on Saturday. Okay, but market broke it, so it's not valid. But on the daily chart, okay, we can still see that ascending triangle pattern is valid. Okay, so there is a possibility of market going up, and overall gold is fundamentally bullish. So in the coming months, if gold goes up also, we should not be surprised. But if we look at the recent market structure, you can see whenever gold is coming down for retracement, okay, the previous resistance is acting as support here, then again here also. So right now, if the correction on gold continues, then this blue box, okay, the blue box that I have drawn here is going to be the next support on the chart of gold, which is around 3340. It can be 3345, it can be 4035 also. Means this particular area is going to be the next support on the chart of gold if market comes for further correction. And chances of market going for a fresh high is very less right now. Though the market sentiment is pointing out that gold should be up, but the chart is speaking a different language. If things escalate between Israel and Iran, then maybe we can expect some upside. Usually, okay, gold should be flying right now, but we can see that there is not much response from gold. So as a result, okay, we cannot take trades blindly. We need to think about our hard-earned money also. So as long as gold doesn't give us a confirmation about the bullishness, we need to trade according to the chart only. So chances of market forming a all-time high as of now is very less. So if market comes from for another correction or retracement, then around 3340, triple three five area, मतलब 3340 के आसपास we can expect support. Okay. Now we are on the hourly chart. Okay, so on the hourly chart, you can see that we also have a trend line. Okay, we also have a trend line working as dynamic support. I cannot give you the exact number where market is going to take a support. So on the hourly chart, you can draw a trend line like this. To be honest, okay, you guys must be knowing that I'm not a big fan of trend line, but when we have a clear trend line visible, okay, we should not avoid it. So you can draw a trend line like this. During the day, if you see market is taking support around a trend line, you can go for a buy as well. It will be around 3360, 3355 area. Okay, so these are the buying zones. Okay, buy opportunities on the chart of gold where you can look for a buy position, but do not trade blindly. Keep in mind, no level is permanent. Market is full of surprises. If you see market is taking support, then only buy. For example, yesterday, okay, market showed this big red candle. If we get to see something like this today, then obviously it may not work. Okay, and these are the opportunities to buy during the day. And in the morning, market made a low of 3373. This is the low made by the market in the morning. So if market breaks 3372 during the day, we can also look for a sell position below this area as well. Okay, how much you can expect initially? Again, do not be too hopeful. Initially you can expect 50 to 60 pips. If you see that selling pressure is too high, then do not no need to exit. You can hold your sell position for another 50 to 60 pips, means 100 to 120. But initially your target should be 50 to 60 pips only, because market seems to be thirsty for blood right now, retail blood. Okay, so if market goes down, then we have a sell opportunity below this area. Okay, then we have a buy around the trend line, not a very strong buy, and we also have a buy around this blue box. Okay, so these are the opportunities if market drops from the current market position. Okay, and if market goes up from here, okay, then see, you need to understand that for a trend reversal, for the market, for the gold to bullish again, gold needs to break 3425. If gold breaks 3425, then only you can be sure that okay, gold is back on track again, gold will be bullish again. As long as gold is trading below 3400, 3425, okay, market will be under pressure. If gold breaks 3425 during the US session, then we can look for a buy above it. Okay, and now we can see that okay, market is standing at 100 moving average. Okay, we are not very sure what market is going to do now. Okay, during the day, if market goes up, as a day trader you can look for, or as a scalper you can look for some selling opportunity around 341009, because the previous support will be working as resistance around this area. Okay, you can see I have also drawn a dotted line here around 3403, but I'm not very sure. Personally, I will avoid okay this particular area to take a sell. Maybe I will look for a sell around this particular zone 341009. Okay, so lots of things are going on gold right now, and we have a news also coming up during the US session. Not a major event that can change the direction of the market, but yes, it can bring a lot of volatility. So please be careful during the US session. And if you're still not a part of the Telegram community, please join, because I'm recording the video in the Asian session, and obviously things change. Okay, during the day. So for timely updates, okay, please join. Because for example, yesterday when gold was crashing, okay, obviously I could not upload video, so I was updating on the Telegram community. So for a clearer understanding, okay, let's look at the opportunities again on the 15 minutes chart. Okay, so on the 15 minutes chart, we can see that okay, we have a sell opportunity below 3372 area. If market drops during the day, we can sell below it. How much we can expect? Initially 50 to 60 pips. If market shows further potential, we can just carry along. Then we also have a trend line, okay, that will be providing dynamic support to the market. Okay, if market takes support, we can look for a buy, but this is not a very strong one. Then we can also look for support around 3340, 3345 area. Why? Because we have seen on a daily chart that okay, market is respecting price action very well. So okay, we can expect, then market should take support. If market does, then only we will buy. Okay. Overall, the chart of gold is bullish on the higher time frame. There is no doubt about it. But obviously, we are day traders. Okay, our stop losses are not 400, 500 pips, isn't it? Okay. So obviously, we need to respect the ongoing trend of the market. And right now, the trend of the market, okay, seems to be under pressure. Okay. Yesterday, okay, we were exiting at 50, 60 pips, so we were okay. We were safe. Okay. But today, be careful. Okay. And we can see right now the market is trying to go up from here. As I said just few minutes ago, that if gold breaks 3425, then only we can consider the market to be bullish. Okay. And if gold shows price rejection around 341009 area, as a scalper, you can look for a sell position as well. And be careful, market is volatile. Do not go for big lot sizes. Use proper stop loss and risk management. Trades may go wrong, but if you do not exit at the right time, you will not get another day to trade. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.